Hey, Cia Grace, Dream Threatening News. Rhea has that now.
And Canberra Sermon.
This week we'll be talking about testing, the drama play, the choir concert, and the May Day Festival.
Hey, why do sharks go into salt water?
Why?
Because pepper water makes them sneeze.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget Sierra Grade Junior High School's mission. Sierra Grade Junior High School's mission is to provide a community of support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now on to the weather.
Exactly, Kimberly. Wednesday is going to be a high of 81 and a low of 59. On Thursday, it's going to be a high of 82 and a low of 65. And Friday, it's going to be a high of 75 and a low of 63. It is not supposed to rain this week. Now to this week's future expectations.
Alright everybody, I'm going to take up your devices.
Today, we will be asking people of Sierra Grade how they enjoy the school. Over here with, what is your favorite thing about this whole school year?
Seeing my classmates.
Okay, we're here with Germany. Okay, what's your favorite thing about the school year? Yeah, basketball.
Who are we here with?
I'm Arbashon Curry.
What are your favorite things about the school, Officer Curry?
The morning announcements and Feel Good Friday.
Yes, Lord!
Okay, what's your name?
Antonio Woodson.
Okay, that's Antonio Woodson. What was your favorite thing about the school year?
The club field trips.
Who are we here with?
Tomorrow.
Okay, Tamarius, what is your favorite thing about the school?
Okay, we're here with Yoma. Okay, Yoma. What's your favorite thing about the school year?
Coming to get my education. Who are we here with?
Nick.
Okay, Nick, what is your favorite thing about the school?
Going to the gym.
Alright. Who are we here with?
Zamaya.
Okay, Zamaya, what is your favorite thing about school?
Being in my math class, co-registration.
Okay,
Alan Edwards.
Okay, what's your favorite thing about the school year?
It's got to be the news crew, right?
Yeah.
Hey Sierra Grade, this is your local and school news. This Tuesday, the Sierra Grade and the high school jazz bands have concert at the Arts Center from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m.
The May Day Festival is happening in Derwent on May 5th and 6th, starting at 8 a.m. This two-day festival kicks off Friday with a barbecue competition. The festival will have arts and crafts and lots of fun foods. The CCHS Marching Band will be playing at the parade on Saturday.
The drama department play is this Thursday and Friday at 6 p.m. in Sierra Grade's cafeteria.
Hey, why do we always tell actors to break a leg?
Because every play has a cast.
Sierra Grade drama classes have been put on performance of Attention, Detention. The play is about 4 honor students who get attention and make up crazy excuses. It should be interesting, so go check it out.
The choir concert is May 9th. Support the choir at Withers Auditorium at 7 p.m.
Georgia milestone testing begins tomorrow. Make sure you get a good night's rest each day during testing. This Tuesday to Thursday is 8th grade ELA testing, and make us for that on Friday. Next Monday and Tuesday is 8th grade math and biology. Wednesday and Thursday is algebra, and AP World History is also on Thursday. Next Friday is 8th and 9th grade science. May 15th is 8th grade social studies, and May 16th is the makeups.
Finals are the last 3 days of school, May 17th, 18th, and 19th. You can exempt finals if you don't have 5 or more absences and no write-ups for the spring semester, and you must have an 85 or higher. We'll be getting exemption papers soon. Make sure your teachers sign those.
FFA held a scavenger hunt here a couple of weeks ago. Here's some footage from that.
Hey y'all, this is Rip, and he's 18 years old. He's a gelding. If you don't know what a gelding is, he's a boy.
Today I have rabbits with me. I have two big ones which are called Rex rabbits, and then I have this smaller one, but I'm going to be talking about the two big gray ones today.
This is Chloe. She is a show goat, and all of the goats are females, or does.
Yes.
And so,
a doe is a female goat that has not had any babies yet. Once they have babies, they're called nannies from there on out.
This is a crossbred gilt. She weighs about 315 pounds.
Hens are female chickens. Hens can lay up to 1 egg per day. The egg making process takes up to 24 to 26 hours. Roosters are your adult male chickens. Roosters tend to be more brightly colored. This is Miss Tyson. She is my show heifer for this year. She is 1 year old. The two big gray ones are called Rex rabbits. They were originated in France in 1919, and they are typically a bigger breed, and they have a big soft coat of a velvety fur because of a mutated gene called the Rex gene, which was breeders thought it was good because it gave them a soft velvety coat, so they continued to breed it until you get the Rex rabbit we have today.
These goats are boar goats. They're raised for meat and muscle.
and we show these goats. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure that when you get her in the show ring, that her feet are in a rectangular position, so that way when the judge comes by, he can take his hand over her back and see how much body and how much muscle and how level her top is.
She showed, her big show was in February up in Perry. She did pretty good.
Chickens can fly, but because they are heavyweight, they can only fly up to 200 feet. Pullets are your young female hens. This one is a female. She is a pullet because she has not laid an egg yet. Once she lays her first egg, she becomes a hen. All the chickens that we have here at school are Leghorn and Rhode Island Red crossbreds.
She's a purebred Simmental heifer, and she will go after I get done showing her. She will go on and be my show heifer, or will be a mama cow, and will do more show calves later in her life. So that's Miss Casey, and that's what she does.
National Administrative Professionals Day was last week. We appreciate all of our administrative professionals here at CA Gray.
National Administrative Professional Day was last Wednesday, April 26th, and administrative professional works in the office answering phone calls, scheduling meetings, and providing office support to an individual or team. Our administrative professionals here at CA Gray are Ms. Locke, Ms. Nunez, Ms. Blaylock, Ms. Tucker, Ms. Wisham, and Mr. Anderson. Let's thank them for everything they've done for Happy National Administrative Professional Day.
Oh, hey! Happy National Administrative Professional Day.
Happy Administrative Professional Day.
Happy National Administrative Professionals Day. We could not do school without you.
Don't forget to get a good night's rest and eat breakfast before testing each day the next few weeks.
We have one more show this year, so stay tuned for next week for our last newscast. We'll see you next week, CA Gray. This is the Dream Factory News, signing off. The drama department plays this Thursday. I can't. Jesus Christ.
And Wednesday's gonna be a house low, and they wait. Dang, hold on.
Hey, CA Gray, this is Dream Factory News. And you must have an 85 or higher. Don't forget to get a good night's rest and eat breakfast before testing each day the next few.
I don't want it to end.
Not me either.